Ledger, one of the leading names in digital asset security, has officially expanded its support to include Hedera's native token standard, the Hedera Token Service, often referred to as HTS. The move allows users to manage HTS-based tokens directly through the Ledger Live interface, combining cold storage security with seamless usability. For the Hedera ecosystem, this integration marks a significant step toward mainstream accessibility, particularly for users who prioritize self-custody and hardware-level protection. Until now, holders of Hedera tokens such as those from HashPack, SaucerSwap, or Kabila typically managed their assets through dedicated wallets or third-party interfaces. With this update, they can now view balances, send and receive tokens, and confirm transactions securely within the familiar Ledger Live environment. The update also includes popular community tokens like GIB and DOVU, offering Hedera users a unified management experience without compromising on safety. The significance lies in how this closes the gap between two distinct but complementary approaches to security and scalability. Hedera's network, known for its consensus efficiency and low-cost transaction model, now pairs with Ledger's offline storage solutions that isolate private keys from internet-connected environments. This means users can verify and sign transactions directly on their Ledger devices, eliminating exposure to most online attack vectors. The collaboration extends Ledger's established model, security through hardware isolation, to a blockchain ecosystem that has been steadily growing in enterprise adoption. From a technical perspective, the integration required bridging Ledger's existing firmware with the Hedera Token Service API. That service underpins all fungible and non-fungible tokens built on Hedera, ensuring compliance with network-level governance while maintaining low energy consumption. The HTS framework is one of the network's distinguishing features. It enables token creation and transfer directly at the protocol layer, rather than relying on external smart contracts. By supporting this standard, Ledger makes it possible to interact with any HTS-compliant token natively. For developers and end users alike, that reduces friction and potential points of failure. It also reflects an ongoing trend in the crypto industry, where hardware wallet providers move beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum to support alternative architectures that implement tokenization differently. The implications go beyond convenience. Integrating HTS into Ledger Live introduces institutional-grade security to a blockchain that already targets enterprise-level use cases. Hedera's consensus mechanism, which relies on the asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant hashgraph protocol, has been designed for predictable performance and fairness. When paired with Ledger's secure element chips and proprietary operating system, the result is an end-to-end custody solution capable of meeting both retail and enterprise standards. The move may also accelerate user adoption for Hedera-based decentralized applications. Ecosystems like SaucerSwap, which provides liquidity pools and yield farming opportunities on Hedera, or HashPack, a major wallet interface for the network, can now interface with hardware security modules without complex bridging. This gives users more confidence when engaging with decentralized finance or tokenized asset management on the Hedera network. Industry observers interpret this as part of a larger pattern. Major wallet manufacturers are extending coverage beyond the established Ethereum and Bitcoin ecosystems to include networks that optimize for speed, scalability, and compliance readiness. For Ledger, this diversification aligns with its broader strategy to become a universal gateway for digital asset management across multiple blockchains. For Hedera, the timing is favorable. The network has seen a steady increase in on-chain activity, particularly through tokenization projects and enterprise pilots. Having direct support from a globally recognized security provider strengthens its credibility among both retail users and institutional partners who require audited custody frameworks. The partnership also reflects the maturing relationship between security hardware and blockchain infrastructure. In early crypto, hardware wallets primarily secured long-term holdings. In the current landscape, they function as interactive gateways capable of verifying complex smart contract calls and multi-token transactions. Ledger's implementation of HTS support therefore represents not just another integration, but a structural link between the Hedera ecosystem and the broader Web3 security infrastructure. While the announcement does not introduce new economic mechanisms or token incentives, it reinforces the importance of interoperability and user trust. As more blockchains aim to attract liquidity and developers, integration with established providers becomes crucial. This step positions Hedera to compete more directly with networks that already benefit from full ledger compatibility. The collaboration also provides a case study in how crypto infrastructure evolves through incremental but strategically significant updates. Each integration of this kind expands the functional ReX of self-custody, turning secure asset management into an everyday user experience rather than a technical challenge. Whether this leads to measurable increases in Hedera's adoption metrics remains to be seen, but the direction is clear: hardware-backed security and scalable network design are converging. For the broader market, it signals a gradual normalization of cross-ecosystem standards, where networks and hardware wallets interoperate seamlessly, and users can choose the combination of convenience and security that best fits their needs. In that sense, Ledger's support for the Hedera Token Service is more than a technical update. It is another sign that Web3's future depends not only on innovation, but on integration. For more insights on blockchain infrastructure, interoperability, and crypto security standards, remember to like, subscribe, and keep learning, here at Crypto in Black and White.